Welcome back guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Holy shit! Seb, excellent braking.
I just missed it. We didn't hit. Oh, fuck. That was so close.
This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country. And it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never cheated or been cheated on, then take off your boots, you rhinestone fraud. An outlaw songs, hard time, foolish pride, done me wrong. Flirting with the devil, getting right with the man. Ain't men paint songs, one night stands. You can keep your picket fence fantasies and put a cork in your high school memories. This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country. And it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never spent a single night in jail, then get another job and I'll see you in hell. I'm drawn like a moth through the neon lights. I need a bucket of beer and someone to fight. Don't call yourself country if your music is shitty, or this Carolina boy will take you down to Fifth City. You know who you are, I ain't gonna name names. Just keep your hands off my country and go back from where you came. My country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country. And it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never done something you regret, well then I'm proud of you. And now get it. Nursery rhyme out of my face. Wintertime, springtime, summertime, autumn. Show me to the jukebox, you come if you got 'em on. Country like like Johnny, country like Merle, country like Loretta, that honky down girl, country like Towns, country like Travis. I'm a country fried junkie with a bad habit. Country like Chris, country like Gretchen. If you ain't cooking country, then get out of the kitchen. I'm a country like Hank, 1, 2, and 3, dropping like peaches from the family tree. Country like women, whiskey and wheels. Yeah, I know if it's country 'cause I know how it feels. Country like Waylon, country like Willie, country like lightning and a hillbilly. This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country, and it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you can't sing along to tearing my beer, then don't forget your coat and get the fuck out of here.
Ba-da, ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da, ba-ba-ba-ba. Music's always inside my head. It's all day long till I go to bed. I hear the wind through the trees, the buzzing of the bees, the rumble of the train, the pitter-patter of the rain. Can you hear it? I hear music everywhere. Everybody, can you hear it? It's the sound that fills the air. Yes, I hear music everywhere. If you listen, you'll hear the sound. The sound of music's all around. I hear the birds sing a song in the daylight, and the frogs and the crickets play the rhythm of the night. Can you hear it? I hear music everywhere. Everybody, can you hear it? It's the sound that fills the air. Yes, I hear music everywhere. Ya-da-ba-da-da-da-doo. Ya-ba-da-ba-ba. Woo! Crumpets! Ya-ba-da-da-doo. Ya-ba-ba-ba-doo. Ya-ba-da-doo. Oh. Ya-ba-da-boom. Ba-da-ba-da-da-ba. The wind through the trees, the buzzing of the bees, the rumble of a train, the pitter-patter of the rain. Can you hear it? I hear music everywhere. Everybody, can you hear it? It's the sound that fills the air. Yes, I hear music everywhere.
Jesus Christ! Right through the stop sign.
One
Traffic light.
later.
People to services when they can, but admits the system still has gaps. And for the people here, they say until those gaps are fixed, getting off the streets just isn't realistic. Live, Eric Cabrera, KSL News Radio.
Police have arrested a man who's accused of beating up the driver of a car he got into a crash with in Eagle Mountain.
Police say the victim told them the wheel.
Oh my God! Oh God! Ugh! God! Glad we had nothing to do with that. Jesus!
Oh my
God! Oh my God! Oh God! Ugh! God! Glad we had nothing to do with that. Jesus!
Oh my God!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, I gotta clean it anyways. Good job, people.
For 10% off. That's better. HELP.com/pressplay.
He's just steadily just throwing trash out the window. Look at him.
Uma coisa ou outra. Ela falou assim que não, e a Felipe falou, cura diabetes, não cura diabetes. Just goes low. Mas se segura aí. Segura, mãe.
Stupid!
Don't be that way. Twice a day. I just wish you could feel.
Dang, dude. They hit each other. I don't think they hit each other.
Well folks, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.